My name is Nur Shadrina binti Ghazali, metric number 257121, and this is my partner.
My name is Asli binti Ramli, metric number 248688.
And we are here to shoot our video for our assignment, which is relate to nature, and we choose Pinangki.
The experience of hiking the Bukit Bendera is also very interesting. Despite being excited as a roller coaster ride, it has its own uniqueness as it's the only cable railway in Malaysia. In the past, it took about 25 minutes to get to the part of the Bukit Bendera. The train right now is less than 5 minutes to reach the destination. For all people who have experiences of riding a cable car, then feel something lost. The Bukit Bendera Railway is equipped with the air conditioning for the convenience of travelers. Tourists can choose to stand in the cable car to look freely at the scenery of the right side of the park filled with forestry and interesting flora and fauna. The excitement of being able to reach to the top of the hill will be even more crowded when it's come to view of the city, Georgetown and the sea that turn far below.
Penang Hill was the first colonial hill station in Peninsular Malaysia, comprising Western Hill, Bukit Laksamana, Tiger Hill, Flagstaff Hill and Government Hill. It is located 6 km away from Georgetown. The nature and habitat in Penang Hill, which provide the most complete, entertaining and educational experience, is the perfect reason why we choose this place to shoot our video.
Like other highland tourism destination, a modern attraction in Bukit Bendera is the fascinating view of the hilltop. As soon as it's arrived at the top, out of the top station, the visitor must be stunned for a moment. What is the attractive at Bukit Bendera? It is very beautiful view of the tower and some more location. Visitor can see the city of Georgetown, the Penang Bridge and the West Sea to turn to Seberang Perai.
Our walk along the last 1 mile, which is about 1.6 km long, the Habitat Nature Trail, a commitment to nature conservation that provides an immersion Malaysian rainforest experience. The trail is set on the fringe of one of only 2 remaining virgin jungle reserve on Penang Island, believed to be about 130 million years old.
Facing this rainforest has been touched by human development. Much of the jungle we think of as virgin in the flat secondary, meaning that it has been cleared at some time for plantation, which have been seen upon and the jungle has regrown. The wall is the face of the scenes. You are excited by the vivid colors and interest pattern of both flower and butterfly. Now I start to appreciate how many variants of greens there are in nature and how harmoniously they blend together.
The beauty of taking a stroll at the habitat is to be close to nature. Truth be told, you won't see score of animal here, but the flowers and the trees are plentiful enough to make many stops along the 1.6-kilometer pathway. The habitat is a new Penang Hill experience starting just a few steps from the top of the speedy funicular railway. And then you're walking past the bustling food court and the obvious tourist attraction. Then you suddenly come across the oasis of calm and tranquility that just beyond the Billabong Hotel.
Although the actual site of the habitat is in its way a heritage, the land has been touched since 1911, which gives it a very fresh natural feel. What is a habitat? Habitat is the natural home or environment of plant and animal. In this habitat, you will find some of the tallest and oldest trees in Malaysia, as well as thousands of plants, mammals, insects, and reptilia. Do you know some of the trees in this forest are over 100 years old?
And this plant is from Indonesia, which name is Ivory Cane Palm and come from family name Arikaki.
And now, the plant is from Philippines. The name is rose grape. You can
Got
see
the
that.
family name Melastomatasi.
Yes.
And this place is about the habitat in Penang here. So can we know more about this place?
Okay, sure. So maybe this is our eco park. So actually we're having inside here, we're having a 6 type of garden and 2 giant swing. So the canopy walk and the trail is actually under progress. So you are here from the ticketing office to go to our main attraction, just 500 meter. It's actually an easy walk overall. So the Curtis Crest is the one of the main attractions inside of the habitat. So on top of here you can see 3 views: ocean view, Penang City view, and also forest view.
So it's 360.
Yeah. The circle of the diameter is just 200 meter. The above sea level is just only 800 above sea level. 800 meter above sea level. So there's another 600 meter to our exit. Before we reach our exit, we're having our shop on the hill, which is our souvenir shop also and the cafe. So you like, in case you bought adult ticket 50 ringgit, you will get a 10 ringgit off. You can purchase anything over here at our souvenir shop.
Alright, right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
See you again.
such a tired day for us, yet so exciting.
Make sure if you want to go to Bukit Bendera, choose the right day and date. If you want to be more comfortable on a regular day, you need a long queue for a train to ride to the top of hill if you come to school holidays.
Bukit Bendera is a great place to be for family holiday because you can spend time with the kids looking at the beautiful scenery from the top and visiting the many interesting places.
It's very best.